I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to work on this. It's a little handheld mini vise, and you know, I looked them up online. I can buy a brand new one for $3, but that's not the point. The point of it is this looks like it might be fun. So without further ado, let's do. Well, I don't know. What do you think? I really like it. I love how the shine is on top, and I love the paint job. And I'm tickled pink. So, got nothing more to say about it. See you next time. Thanks.